Assalamualaikum. Good morning dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Let me introduce myself. I'm your SST teacher, Miss Aksa. So students, today we are going to do exercise of the chapter number 11, the government and the law. So students, open your notebook and margin the lines and mention the date and make the heading of the chapter 11, the government and the law. So are you ready students? Now, so students, this is your chapter number 11, the government and the law, on the page number 94. Okay, write the question number 1. Student, what is the question number 1? Find out meaning of the word democracy. Answer is, democracy is a system of government where people elect certain individual through voting. Question number 2, why is important to vote? Answer is, it is important to vote because it is one of the basic human rights. It empowers people to elect a representative. Question number 3, how do we elect people to run the country in Pakistan? Answer is, the people elect member of the national and provincial assembly through voting. Question number 4, who are the people in charge of the provincial governments? Answer is, the chief minister is in charge of the provincial government. Question number 5, who is the citizen and how does someone become a citizen of Pakistan? Answer is, a citizen is one who owns a passport of that country. People who are born to Pakistani parents in Pakistan are citizens of Pakistan. Question number 6, explain why it is important to have laws in a country. Answer is, laws are important to run things smoothly in a country. The police ensure that their laws are obeyed. The government make the laws. Question number 7, what happens to people who are caught breaking the law? Answer is, the people who are caught breaking the laws are arrested by police. Okay, now students, move on page number 99. So students, look at here. Make your own glossary about the government in Pakistan by finding the right words from the lesson. So students, हमें यहाँ पर कुछ words जो है वो सर्च आउट करने हैं जो कि हमें lesson से ही मिलेंगे. So देखिएगा आगे क्या लिखा हुआ है. A set of rules which everyone in the country must follow. This is meant to protect democracy. Law. Answer is law. Chief Minister, the head of the provincial government. Minister, member of the National Assembly appointed by the Prime Minister to look after various departments. National Assembly, a large group of directly elected people who discuss all the law and important matters for the whole country. Voting, the process by which people decided who will form the government. Prime Minister is the head of the national government. Senate as member are elected by the members of the National Assembly. No law can be passed without the approval of this body. Now look at here students. B section, fill in the blanks. The Chief Minister ensures that the provincial governments follows the constitution. Second is the seat of the federal government is in Islamabad. The Prime Minister represents the country abroad as the head of state. Laws are debated in the National Assembly. Everyone over the age of 18 can vote. So students, section A और सेक्शन डी आप जो है अपनी बुक में ही सॉल्व कीजिएगा और बाकी जो आपके पास सेक्शन बी है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स ये आप फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स बुक में से आप अपनी कॉपी में कॉपी कर लीजिएगा। ओके, नाउ लुक एट डी सेक्शन स्टूडेंट्स। राइट व्हाट ईच ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स मीन्स। यहाँ पर कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं, आपको उसके मीनिंग्स बताने हैं। प्रोसिक्यूट, अ लॉयर फॉर पर्सन हु इज चार्जिंग समबडी with a crime. Lawyer who knows the law. Now move on page number 100. Magistrate who will see the justice is done. Tribunal, move them. Me, judge, move them. One judge. Evidence, fact or science that shows truth. Witness, the person who has seen the crime. So students, there are some signs, so we have to write the names of the signs. So first one is no parking, working ahead, speed breaking, speech breaker or bump. So students, this is the end of our exercise. Inshallah we will meet in the next video. Till then, take yourself. Allah Hafiz.